I am not dead. Hey YouTube, so long time no see, and I know I owe you an explanation, but it's not really anything that important. I've just been living my daily life, and I guess I'll talk about it more in another video, but real quick, because I want to get back to having fun with you guys, is makeup, while I love it, has just not been like my #1 priority right now. It does help me make my living. I am a makeup artist. I love it. I have so much fun doing it. But I have been more in the mindset of not purchasing so much and not being so wasteful. And I know that's like a normal thing on YouTube now, but I'm also changing up my background and everything, so don't mind while everything gets organized. My lighting is messed up and everything, but yeah, just bear with me. I never want to sit in front of this camera when I am not like excited and happy and want to talk about makeup. And lately, like the past 6 months, I've been walking into Ulta and the drugstore and into everywhere, and I've just been like, nothing's really been like woo to me, you know what I mean? And I have so many hobbies like gardening and plants and bullet journaling and true crime and podcasts, so it's just, I didn't want this to ever feel like a chore or like I was pushing aside my other hobbies just to do it, because I want to have fun with you guys. So I finally feel like I am ready to like calm my ass down, sit in front of this camera and hang out with you guys again, because I'm not that type of person who's just gonna force myself to do it. Like if my girlfriends are going to see a movie, first of all, I don't like going to the movies, so I'm not gonna go. I'm not just gonna go and do it because I'm like my friends are doing it. I want to do it because I like to do it, and like you guys are my friends, and I don't just want to sit here and do it just to do it. So let's do it for fun. Boxy time. So this is my first ever Boxy freaking Luxe. This thing is ginormous. I've already cut it open, but I have not. They wrote my freaking address on it. Weird. But yeah, another reason I haven't been into YouTube is because look at me right now. I just come straight home from work and I look like a schlub. I have not had a haircut in like 10 months. I'm not your normal YouTuber, okay? Bear with me. Let's just be our honest ass selves and cut into BoxyCharm Luxe, or Boxyluxe, whatever the Boxyluxe, whatever the F it's called. This is what it looks. It says it's the Said Sun Boxyluxe. Is that what it says? Said. Oh, I don't want to look at it. A quick disclaimer is I've been getting over a lot of my anxiety. You guys know that. I have a very sarcastic asshole kind of personality, in good fun, but I've gained a lot of weight over the past couple years, and I felt like makeup was my outlet. Like I could make my face pretty, but I couldn't make my body pretty. So January 1st, I really need to get into dieting, but that's a story time for another day. Let's get into our Boxyluxe. First thing first, when I crack this puppy open is I see, is there something in here? I see this makeup bag. It says Glam AF. And I'm not like the type of person who's against like trendy ass sayings, but to be honest, I don't need a makeup bag that says glam as fuck on it. Like, that's not like a super cute saying, but I mean, I guess I could use the bag. I have so many freaking Ipsy bags though. It's cute that they put something in it though. What did they put in it? Crimes of Beauty. What is this? Is this like a freaking hard drive? What is this? Did they give us a hard drive? I'm so confused. This is so odd. Oh, it's a charger for your phone. That's a very, I didn't know I was getting a tech box. Wow. I think I mean, it's cool, but I'm just kind of like, what the fuck? Like, a charger? It's odd. Glam as fuck with a phone charger. I thought when I was paying for this I was getting makeup, but apparently I am a tech channel now. I'll give it to my boyfriend to review. He has a tech channel. Watch, that was like the entire price of our goddamn box was this goddamn charger. Bracelet and portable charger, $22. Could be worse. Next we have Pretty Vulgar. This is such cute packaging. The Powder Room, mad about it. I'm actually pretty excited about this because A, the packaging is really cute, and B, I was just about to buy a powder because I need one. Oh, it has a little puff in it. Don't ask me why I have to sniff everything, but is it translucent? says the matte translucent setting powder. That's cool. I needed one because I have I love my Coty Airspun, but Jesus Christ, that container, it just like fucking falls apart, dude. And it's like all taped up and duct taped, and it takes like 12 years to go through that, and I'm not buying a new one just because my packaging's broken. Well, I can't even get into the powder. You probably don't even care that I look like a hobo today. And that's the thing, guys, is like sometimes I'm gonna look like a hobo, but we're just hanging out, talking about makeup. Doesn't mean that I have to be goddamn a regular makeup channel and be snatched to hell, because guess what? I have multiple jobs. I can't always be snatched to hell, okay? Ooh, this looks nice. I mean, it's a little powdery and, I mean, it's a freaking translucent powder. Like, what am I gonna tell you? I'll try that. All right, I see you, but I am excited. I am excited about this. I definitely will say that because like I said, I am due for a loose powder. And I was just about to say, and a free one is awesome, but I paid a pretty penny for this box. Next. Oh my goodness. I probably already have every Luxie brush known to man. Oh, how much was that goddamn powder? That powder is $32. Nice. So next we have the Luxie brush set. And I'm not gonna lie, I freaking adore Luxie brushes. I probably have all these brushes that have come in Ipsies and BoxyCharms, but as a makeup artist, you can never have enough clean brushes. This is a really cute box too. I don't want to like open it, but you can see there's like see this like straight edge one? I got that in an Ipsy bag once and it was like my favorite product of all time. So excited to have another one because mine's always disgusting. And then like some big brushes. This is definitely cool and exciting. Luxie brushes to me are fantastic. So this includes a round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie. You can never have enough of those, and a lip brush. I'm gonna be honest, me and lip brushes like kind of don't really like, I mean I use them, but like I don't. Weird, right? The Rose Gold Complete, that's $65, and I can believe that. I freaking adore Luxie brushes. A+. Next we have the Spun Gel Multi-Use Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. Are you trying to tell me that I stank ass? Probably. This smells amazing. It really does, but it's like a little star, and I think it has like, already has the stuff in it. Place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage into circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out. Like, how long is this going? This is like really hard. I guess it's like filled with soap and stuff already. I mean, it's not the thing that I would pick out on the shelf, but I'd love to try it. So BoxyCharm sent it to me to try, but how many uses can you get out of a sponge, you know? It's, oh, that's $20. It smells good. That's a plus, right? All-in-one beauty treatment. It's gonna make me beautiful and take all this weight off my neck. That's not stopping to eat Wendy's is gonna do that. Clearly, the sponge is going to, okay? Next, we have the Protégé palette. Now, I chose this over the straightener, honestly, because do you see my hair? I am the laziest sack of shit when it comes to doing my hair. I'm going to get my hair cut, and the last thing I really honestly need is another palette, but to me, it just made more sense than, it was like the lesser of two evils. It's like a straightener that's mini that you're never going to use, because I already have a mini straightener and I've used it like 3 times, and I've had it for like years, or a palette that kind of looks like every palette I own, but let's swatch structure. Yeah, that's all right. There's a swatchy. So it has like 2 highlights. This one's more like lilac-y. Oh, that's pretty. You can see the highlight there. I mean, to be honest, it's a basic palette. I chose it, like I said, because the straightener really wasn't my thing. So I really wasn't like gung-ho about this. But you know, I didn't need a freaking straightener. I need a palette like a goddamn hole in the head. And apparently that's worth $34. But I don't need a straightener for a little straightener for my thick ass, disgusting hair. It's just Not gonna happen. Probably should use that to shut myself up. Next, Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint in Insta Famous. Am I Insta Famous? My 600 followers will say yeah. Fuck no. Okay, this is beautiful. This is really pretty. It does have like some purple shimmer to it, can you tell? But I've actually been really looking forward to, I was looking at the new ColourPop collection that had like the shimmery, okay, it's a little, pulls a little purple, but it's just basically a clear gloss with glitter in it, but I'm pretty excited. You can't really, like, it's clear. It's not showing up on camera. It smells good. If I was gonna eat it, I would eat it. So it's really showing up kind of clear, but I think, like, why don't I just put it over my goddamn lipstick right now? That would be smart, wouldn't it? See, it pulls purple. I'm wearing the Too Faced Gingerbread lipstick right now. Ooh, it's not like picking up a lot of product in the doe foot. I mean, it's a glitter topper. It's cute. I definitely like have wanted to try one out for the holiday season, so the fact that Boxyluxe sent one to me is awesome. And no, I'm not trying to force positivity on this box because I got flamed for disliking the box before. I'm gonna tell you what everybody else told you. I'm so real. I'm just so real. I would never lie to you. I would never be fake. Just like every beauty guru on the platform. This is 20 bucks. I'm excited about this. I think it's cool. Okay. Who doesn't want a little bit of freaking glitter to light up their freaking lives, okay? Next we have the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. And it looks like a little sex toy. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's kind of got a short little wand. That's an interesting wand. That looks like a wand that I would probably like. Not gonna get my hopes up though. This is apparently $25 and it's for extreme length and volume. So, I have tried the Grande Lash, what is it? The serum, and it was making my eyelashes itch really bad. So, hopefully that doesn't do that. Next we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Does it get rid of the lines where your fat sits? That would be great. Padina and firms, smooths, and hydrates. Firms? I could use a little of that this holiday season. This right here, this is Christmas cookies, okay? This is what happens when everybody at work brings in dip and Christmas cookies. I'm getting back in shape, guys. It's gonna happen. So this is pretty. It's a cream. I could always use a cream. It's probably like formula. I don't want to like pull it up. Ow. I'm not gonna pull it up because to be honest, I bite my nails too low and then it's a problem, so. This is probably the most expensive thing in the box. Skincare always is $89! It's made of potent cocktail of seaweeds and blended with ginkgo, rose, and mimosa, moisturizing visibly approved fine lines. It better improve fat lines because, girl, listen, plus size, frickin' awareness, and positivity, but a girl knows when she needs, you know, clean up her act a little. I have been eating like garbage, and to be honest, feeling like garbage because I'm eating like garbage, so. But I'm also a realist, so I'm like, I'm really gung-ho I was really into keto in the summer. I know everybody talks about fucking keto. But I was really into it in the summer, and then, you know, Halloween and the holiday season came around, and it was like, I can't say no to a Christmas cookie. So it'll be easy January 1st when it's dark and dank and horrible outside, and I'll have no motivation to do anything with my life besides cry at the freezing cold and snow. But I love the snow. Last but not least, we have the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. Now, this is what I was most excited for. I have never tried a Violet Voss palette. I'm pumped. Pumped, guys. If I could open it, that would be cool. If I could open it, maybe I'd drool. I won't drool, I promise. So I've always wanted to try a Violet Voss palette. I've heard good, I've heard bad, I've heard everything in between about Violet Voss, so I'm excited to try this. And to be honest, it's a basic ass, easy, everyday palette that I could easily just like do something with. But that's what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure this is like usually decently expensive. Maybe not. I mean, it's 45 bucks, so this is a pretty decent. Oh, that feels really, the mattes feel really smooth. I mean, that shimmer is really pretty, like that gold. I'm excited to try this. I mean, it looks like about 36 other palettes I own, but that is no one's fault but my own because it's called an addiction and a problem. I'm working on it. But yeah, that's the Violet Voss Pro. So that is a pretty freaking awesome boxy charm. I was really nervous we weren't gonna get the powder, but I'm glad we got it. So that is my Boxyluxe. So I actually enjoyed my first Boxyluxe. I really am excited to try this palette, and I'll want to get back to you at the end of the month, a review of a bunch of this stuff. So I'm going to start using it throughout the month, and you know, I know I'm always like, I'm gonna give you this and I'm gonna give you that, and then I disappear into thin air for 6 months, but you know. Can we like start this year off right, please? I'm more so talking to myself, Megan. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a fantastic night. Bye!